Can you solve all these molecular biology questions? Molecular basis of life is
correct. Denarana is the right answer.
What is the central dogma of biology?
Bravo. Dinarana protein is the answer.
What process study in molecular biology? Solid response. All of the above is a valid choice. Which enzymes are called molecular glue?
Nicely done. DNA ligase is a solid answer.
Molecular biologist has a career option in dash.
Nick. Valid point. Science centers is true.
Molecular biology is an interdisciplinary subject.
Well done. True is the right choice.
Dash is used for molecular structure visualization.
Smart pick. Rasmol is the correct choice.
A model organism in plant molecular biology is dash.
Excellent choice. Arabidopsis is the right answer.
It is possible to generate fluorescence in qpCry using
strong choice. Tachman probes is the right answer.
Nucleic acids can be analyzed experimentally by their
exactly. Absorption of ovulite makes sense and it is right choice.
Central dogma of molecular biology is proposed by dash.
You're right. Crick is the correct answer.
In molecular biology, which enzyme are called molecular glue?
Clear logic. Your choice ligase is sound and 100% true.
What is the final product of the central dogma of molecular biology?
On track. Protein is the correct answer.
Dash is a multidisciplinary science which uses the benefit of computer.
Excellent. Bioinformatics is a brilliant choice. Which sequence show the correct central dogma of molecular genetics? Well picked. Derana proteins is the correct answer.
Which enzyme invention modified the central dogma of molecular biology?
Correct response. Reverse transcriptase is the most accurate answer. Which enzymes used in genetic engineering are called molecular scissors? Great job. Restriction endonucleases is the accurate answer. What was the molecule of focus in today's sketch notes? Molecular biology. Nice work. You chose DARE and it is correct. A molecular group consisting of a central phosphorus atom bound to 4 oxygen atoms. Nice selection. Phosphate group is the correct and valid answer.
The T4 phage is used to identify the role of dash in central dogma of molecular biology.
Right again. Emrana is a valid answer.
Molecular biology is a study of structure and interactions of nucleic acids and proteins.
Right choice. True is the best answer.
The molecular shape of DNA, in which 2 strands of nucleotides wind around each other in a spiral shape.
Great thinking. Double helix is the right choice.
At the molecular level, genetic information is transmitted from mother cell to daughter cell by mechanism.
Well reasoned. Duplicate deny is the correct choice.
In a simplified version of the central dogma of molecular biology, DNA creates RNA, then RNA creates dash.
Sharp thinking. Proteins is the right choice. What would the molecular formula of sucrose be? Good thinking. CSWAT 2011 is the right answer. The equation above represents which process of molecular biology? You chose cellular respiration, and it is correct. The diagram shows a molecular structure. Which type of molecule is shown? You got it. Your choice lipid is right.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Good job. Your answer contact Narayan Changda works well here.